Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dash and Run where we're going to be looking at this. Now this has come out recently from Ryobi and they are selling these in hardware stores, and basically this is like a gift set that you can give people for birthdays, Christmas, whatever. And it's unusual that Ryobi are actually doing these sort of gift sets. I've not seen them before. So anyway, like all my videos, let's get it out of the box and see what we actually get in this gift box set from Ryobi. So one of the first unusual things I noticed in this gift box set is a set of socks, and they've got Ryobi branding on them with various Ryobi tools, which is quite unusual and something that I haven't seen before. So that's one of the first items out of that gift box. Next, they've got this here, which is obviously for opening bottles and cans and is a bottle opener, and it's branded with Ryobi again, and it's quite nice. It's made of a solid steel, so it's quite a nice bottle opener. Comes with this cool drink holder, which you can put a can in here and it will keep it cool, which is also branded with Ryobi, which is quite nice. Also comes with these little stickers here, and these are to go on your batteries, so you can rebrand them with various different slogans and things. So that's nice they include them, but they're unusual also to get. And of course you need a battery to put these on, but that's also included in this gift pack set. Now as for tools, it has got a couple of them in here, which is good as well. It's got this here, which is basically an Allen wrench type tool set, which has got all the different Allen size keys on it, which is pretty good, and it's in a sort of folding design, which is nice. And this is quite a handy little tool to have, and I'm glad they've included that, and that's a nice tool to have in this set. And it also comes with a branded box knife opener, which is also very nice, and it's quite a nice box opener. It's got various options on it, which is good. You've got this here too where you can cut from the side, and overall the quality of this is quite a nice box cutter. So it does include some rather nice pieces in this set. Well, there you go. There's a quick look and unboxing of the Ryobi gift set that they're recently selling now in hardware stores. And overall, it's not bad. It's good that it does include some tools, because you sort of really want to buy that for the tools. But these extra things are kind of nice. And if you're a really big Ryobi fan, you probably want to get this set, because it does have a lot of Ryobi branding stuff. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.